Good morning. Now we will continue previous chapter, nervous system. In last class we studied about the neurons and types of neurons and nerves and flow of nerve impulse. Now mm, and types of division, major division of nervous system. The its first division is central nervous system. Central nervous system, which is in short form CNS, and second is peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system, that is PNS. Okay, and this peripheral nervous system has two mm, major subdivision is somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Okay, in central nervous system, parts cover the brain and the spinal cord. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Spinal cord, long rod like structure which runs through the backbone. Backbone is for its protection. Clear? And the peripheral nervous system consists of nerves which are coming from brain and spinal cord. इमर्जेस एंड एंटर मतलब ब्रेन से निकल के जाती हैं और ब्रेन में आती हैं, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से निकल के जाती है, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में आती हैं. These all are nerves are included in peripheral nervous system. Somatic nervous system conveys to voluntary muscles, and autonomic nervous system consists of smooth muscles, heart muscles, and this. Now we will start from brain. Okay, A सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम, जिसमें हम स्टार्ट करते हैं ब्रेन से. Okay, as you know that the brain is a very delicate part and it is protected in skull. By nature is protected in skull, जिसको खोपड़ी कहते हैं. It is protected under this because it is a very very delicate part and it is made up of neurons. Hmm. The proportion of the size of human being, it is the brain is human brain is the largest among all animals. प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ द साइज़ ऑफ द बॉडी, कहने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि एलिफेंट का तो इतना बड़ा होता है, नहीं. साइज़ के अकॉर्डिंग, जितनी साइज़ ह्यूमन बॉडी की है उसके अकॉर्डिंग इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट इन ह्यूमन बॉडी. ओके, एंड बाई वेट इट इज़ ओनली 2% वेट ऑफ होल बॉडी. बॉडी का 2% वेट इसका होता है. एंड इट इज़ प्रोटेक्टेड इन क्रेनियम. क्रेनियम ये स्कल का ये पार्ट है जो ये है. फॉर एग्जांपल स्कल कुछ ऐसे होता है, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज क्रेनियम एंड ब्रेन इज प्रोटेक्टेड इन दिस. ओके, now covering covering is called as meninges. Meninges, it is the upper portion of the it is a three membranous layer, three layer three layered membrane which covered whole the brain is called as meninges. Clear? Three layered, hmm? Which continue backward into on spinal cord also. मतलब ये कि ये ब्रेन पे ऐसे कवर करके और फिर नीचे स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को भी कवर करती है. आउटर लेयर is known as meninges, but it is a not a single layer, it is a three layered. And three layered में first outer layer is known as dura mater, middle one is arachnoid, and inner is pia mater. Outer dura mater, middle arachnoid and inner pia mater. थ्री लेयर होती है ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे. तो that is dura mater, this is arachnoid and this is pia mater. और इसके अंदर है brain. Clear? And in this mm, if any inflammation in meninges, तो that is known as meningitis. एक तरह का मतलब एक डिसऑर्डर है कि कभी इस मेनेंजिस में चोट लग गई या स्वेलिंग आ गई तो दर्द होती है. तो that is known as meningitis. इसको आप meningitis कहेंगे. Meningitis. It is inflammation in meninges. Okay. And the during these in between these three layers there is a fluid filled, that is known as cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid, which is filled in between the dura mater, arachnoid and pia mater. What is it's significant because it acts as cushion, cushion to protect the brain from shock. शॉक एब्जॉर्बर भी कह सकते हो. तो मतलब अगर कहीं धक्का लग जाए या हम कहीं गिरते हैं तो ब्रेन तक वो शॉक ना पहुँचे. तो इट इज़ एब्जॉर्ब बाय दिस थ्री it is absorbed by this fluid which is known as cerebrospinal fluid. And same fluid is also filled in central space of ventricles of the brain and central canal of the spinal cord also. Okay, so that is the covering. I'm repeating once again, that is brain is covered by a meninges, and this meninges is three layered, and the outer is known as dura mater, middle one is arachnoid and inner one is pia mater. In between three layers a cerebrospinal fluid is filled, which is shock absorber, which protect our brain by absorbing the shock. Now parts of the brain. Okay. Now parts, brain के parts. Three main visible parts of the brain. Outer is cerebrum, middle one is cerebellum, and inner third one is medulla oblongata. वो है oblongata. Three. Three major parts which are visible. Cerebrum, it is the largest portion of the brain. Just say for example, you see the brain is like this, or in another view we see like this. So this is the largest portion is known as cerebrum, and these two parts is known as hemisphere. So it is also known as cerebral hemisphere. तो ये जो लार्जेस्ट टू पोर्शन दिखते हैं सेरिब्रम के, इट इज़ नोन एज सेरिब्रल hemisphere. And cerebral hemisphere, each they have two cerebral hemisphere, and each one is uh, internally they have two region, outer and medulla. Outer region is cortex and inner region is medulla. The outer portion of cerebrum, outer portion contains cell bodies of the neuron, and it is known as gray matter. And inner is consist of axon of the neuron. They are known as white matter. ठीक है. ब्रेन का जो आउटर पोर्शन है, ब्रेन इज मेड अप ऑफ सेरिब्रम मोस्टली. The outer portion is gray matter, inner portion is white matter. This outer portion is folded. You see that the brain, you have seen the brain has some folds, है ना. So these folds are known as gyri. These folds are known as gyri. And the grooves, fold में grooves भी होते, तो these grooves is known as sulci. Creases जिसे कहते हैं. तो higher number of convolution in these fold and grooves are collectively is known as convolutions. So these convolutions are very much present in human brain due to larger number of brain cells. So what is the brain cells? Yes, brain cells is neurons. Hence greater intelligence. जितनी ज़्यादा brain cells होगी उतना ज़्यादा intelligence बढ़ेगा. ठीक है. And these two major cerebral hemisphere are joined together by corpus. Sorry, ऐसे they are joined together by corpus callosum. Corpus callosum. Its function is to transfer information from one hemisphere to another. This one. Corpus callosum is the link between two cerebral hemisphere. And what is the function of cerebrum? Cerebrum has function: think, reason out, invent, plan, memories. huh? Think function is thinking, रीज़न आउट यानी क्या रीज़न हो सकता है ये हम समझ सकते हैं, इन्वेंशन कर सकते हैं, किसी चीज़ की प्लानिंग कर सकते हैं, याद रख सकते हैं। तो दिस पोर्शन ऑफ द ब्रेन इज़ known for these function, and it is also known as subconscious and unconscious mind because many past experience it is covered by more recent impressions that dreams or when hypnotized and skillfully questioned पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस में बी रिकॉल्ड। मतलब जो पुराना एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है अभी आपको लगता है कि आपको याद नहीं है ऐसे प्रेजेंट टाइम पे, तो कभी कभी आप उस पुराने एक्सपीरियंस पे ड्रीम भी देख सकते हैं, और कभी कभी हिप्नोटाइज होने पे जब क्वेश्चन किया जाता है पुरानी बातों पे तो वो रिकॉल भी हो जाता है। तो इट इज़ डिपेंड अपॉन memory. Now that is the overall of cerebrum. Now we have to be in cerebellum. Cerebellum is very small portion of the brain, much smaller area of the brain located just at the base of under the large, जैसे ये लार्ज पोर्शन है इसके नीचे ये प्रेजेंट होता है सेरिबलम। ओके, नाउ this has outer cortex made up of gray and inner cortex is made up of white matter. Its main function, इसमें स्ट्रक्चर में कुछ खास है नहीं because it is a very small portion cerebellum. Its main function is maintain balance of the body, balance of the body and coordinate muscular activity. It means voluntary activities. Muscular activities. Its main function is the if you stand and walk and तो इट इज़ बाय कॉन्शियस पार्ट, मतलब वो एकदम जीता जागता पार्ट है सेरिब्रम। and the act of walking involves coordinated working of many muscles. Coordination means if you think by the brain that you have to do that you have to write this answer, you are thinking by the brain but your hand is writing whatever you are thinking. आंसर आप याद रखते हैं, इट इज़ मेमोराइज बाय द सेरिब्रल एंड नाउ मस्कुलर एक्टिविटीज़ इज़ कोऑर्डिनेटेड बाय सेरिब्लम। वहाँ पर आप याद किया हुआ है आपने, सेरिब्रल जो है इसको मस्कुलर एक्टिविटी को कंट्रोल कर रहा है जब आप इस वक्त लिख रहे हैं। याद था आपको सेरिब्रम में, लेकिन सेरिब्लम यहाँ पर जब आप आंसर लिख रहे हैं तो अब सेरिब्लम एक्टिवेट हो गया कि आपका हाथ कैसे चलना चाहिए। जो आप सोच रहे हैं सेरिब्रम में, वो सेरिब्रल आपके हाथ को कंट्रोल कर रहा है कि कैसे आप ये आंसर लिख रहे हैं। ठीक है, आप खुद सोचिए कभी जब आंसर लिख रहे हैं तो सोचते दिमाग से हैं और हाथ इधर चलता है। तो डैट इज़ द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ central nervous system, coordination. So cerebrum is the part which bear this responsibility by the coordination of muscular activity and maintain the body balance. uh, when any person is alcoholic and it's drunk, huh? तो ही नेवर वॉक प्रॉपरली। अगर वो ड्रंक है तो वो कभी अच्छे से नहीं चलता। क्यों? क्योंकि सेरिब्रल जो है वो इसको पार्ट